Hi guys, Crimson here. Today I wanted to show you how to use Screencast-O-Matic. It is a great program for anybody who wants to create videos where other people can see what you're doing on your computer in real time. I really like this program because for me it's a lot easier to learn something if I have seen somebody else doing it as well. This program is really easy to use. It walks you through every step you need. As you can see up here, I'm already logged in, but if not, you come up here or you can hit here where it says start recording for free. All you have to do is give them an email and your name and set up a password and you're ready to go. I'm using the free version, which is really nice. It allows you to record one 15-minute video and upload it to like YouTube or stuff like that. They do also have other plans though. We'll go up here and look at them. If you need to record more videos or if you think you're going to use this in a lot of different classes, you want to be able to save the videos and use them again later, I would definitely upgrade to one of the plans that you pay for. The deluxe plan, it adds a video editor, which is really nice. It means you don't have to sit here and get it all out in one shot and hope that it's perfect and hope that you don't have to go back and do it all over again. The biggest thing that it adds is that video editor, and it also upgrades the recorder. The other thing you can do with it is you can import video. You can import the video to other places rather than just uploading it to a couple. They also have a Premiere account, and the Premiere account has everything that you could ever need. You can brand for yourself. You can add watermarks. You still get that editing suite. And then what's really nice is that it also has a backup, which means that if anything were to go wrong, and we all know things go wrong with the internet, you have a way to retrieve that video that you were starting so that you can go back to where you were. If you scroll down this page just a little bit, it goes into all of the tiny little details that each of the accounts has. As you can see as we're scrolling down, the Premiere has everything you could ever want. Has all kinds of things. So, since I'm using the free account, I just get the one 15-minute video with no video editing. We're going to go up here to My Videos. This is going to take you to your account page. And this is what everybody is going to see when they open up the program and get started. Over here in their channels, it's really awesome because you can create your own channel on their site. And you can even require a password for it. This way you don't have to upload your video to another site or program. The people that you want to show it to can come straight to Screencast-O-Matic and either type in a password if you want or just search your channel and find what they need, which is great for full classrooms. You can have a classroom password and then everybody can get on here. They can upload to the channel. They can view what you have shown them, all kinds of things. Now, when you first start a recording, you're going to hit Start Recorder. If you have never been on the site before, it's going to ask you to download a driver. It maybe took my computer a minute to download it. It wasn't anything big. It stays on your computer. You don't ever have to download it again. It's got the button for the video editor. However, since I am using the free version, I don't get to have a video editor. I have to do everything in one take and just hope it's perfect. It's also got a download install button, which will allow you to download things if you don't think you did it right or you think you might have accidentally deleted it. Anything, you can go download it again. I'm going to click on the Start Recorder button just so you guys can see the pop-up. And down here, it shows me that mine is already open, and that's no big deal. I just wanted to show you guys what comes up on the bottom of your screen. Like I said, if it's your first time on the site doing a video, it will ask you to download a driver. If not, it'll pop up and just tell you that your driver is loading, just to wait a second, and it'll be up and running. Now, once you actually have the video screen up, it's going to show you a portion of your screen. It's not your full screen. I've actually arranged mine so that it cuts off the scroll bar on the side and a little bit on the bottom and my tabs at the top. I've also hidden my bookmarks bar just for readability's sake and so that you guys don't have to see all of the random stuff that I have saved up there. Now, once you have finished your video, in the lower left-hand corner, there's going to be a pause button. You're going to hit pause and it's going to stop recording and it's going to take you to where if you're on the free site, you can just review the video that you've created. But if you have paid for one of the plans, then you can edit your video and go back and look at it and do whatever you need. Once you have stopped the video, you have stopped the video. With the free version, you can start it back up again. You can start it back up again with any version, but you won't be able to edit your transitions or anything like that with the free version. With the paid for versions, the deluxe and the premier plans, you'll be able to go in, edit your transitions, all of that good stuff. Also, when you first start this program, the recorder itself is going to give you the option to just show your screen or to just use your webcam. However, I've chosen to use both the screen and the webcam just so that you guys can see me and see what I'm doing. If you're not sure what your computer has to offer in ways of using your webcam, this is a great site to use as well, because if you have paid for a different plan, you can go ahead and edit photos and stuff, or edit videos and stuff like that. Once you've edited it, you can upload it. Edited, that's hard to say. But since I have the free version, I will get my one video, and once I'm done, I'm done. If I don't like it, I have to go back and do it again. But if you've got the if you've got the editor, it's really nice, because you don't have to re-record. You can kind of get everything out all in one take and then go back and piece together what you like or delete what you don't like. The only thing that I'm finding that I don't really like about this program is that my webcam is lacking behind my voice. The microphone is through their site. It just uses the standard microphone on your computer. And then the webcam, you can either add a webcam, or I'm using the webcam that is directly on my laptop. And I'm finding that it's lagging, which is fine. It just might be a little distracting once we get to the actual video. Once you're done, you'll go down to the lower left-hand corner and click the pause button. And then from there, you can upload, you can review it. If you're paying for the program, you can edit it, all kinds of stuff like that. I really like this program just because I do get to see what people are doing in real time. I get to show people what I'm doing in real time on my screen. It's very nice, especially if you're maybe launching a new program for your class, or you want to show them how to use a particular website before you let them go and let them do things on their own. This way they can see exactly what you're doing. I also really like this because you can play your videos that you have made for your classes before you ever let them on a computer. They may want to watch it again once they're actually sitting in front of the program, but this way you can kind of keep your students focused and keep them engaged in learning before you let them go on the computers, which can sometimes be a little distracting, especially the younger the students are or the later in the day it gets. So anyway, that's really all I have to show you guys with this program. It's very simple to use. It's very user-friendly. It talks you through everything. Once you hit the pause button on the side, on the lower left-hand corner to stop your video, it gives you pop-ups asking you what you want to do, asking you if you want to review it or if you're ready to upload it, all of that. Well, that's all I have for you guys today. Thanks for watching. Bye.